Okay, so another client interview, this time with Chad, operating a CPA firm. So yeah, Chad, I will just introduce yourself so that all the viewers can see who I'm talking to today.
Well, I'm Chad Denson with David Oase CPA in Tucson, and we run a small tax and advisory firm. We've been here since 1978, working on some marketing and big time growth.
Awesome. Yeah, so we started working with each other for a couple months ago, and the system actually directly got quite some results. I was curious, was the system working like you expected? Like when you actually started working with us and thinking about doing marketing, what were the things that you were expecting from doing marketing in general?
We've had a lot of mixed results. So we really appreciated the pay per lead structure that Accounting Kings had. Go High Level has been a really fantastic tool to integrate and get to learn how to use, tracking those opportunities. What were we expecting? Um, I don't know. We've had so much going on with different marketing companies before, where just lots and lots of incoming phone calls that haven't been vetted start rolling through the door, and your team are overwhelmed. So we weren't really sure what to expect, in all honesty.
Yeah. Because what were the things that that you've tried before working with us?
We've hired telemarketers to do a lot of cold calling. I think, like most accounting firms, a lot of our referrals are word of mouth, and so we have and referral sources, so we have a lot of that going on. We've done a lot of networking with BNI type stuff and Rotary clubs and those sorts of things. We've used a lot of Google Ads and Yelp and that sort of stuff with mixed success. We had another we had another firm that was doing some cold emailing and
Yeah.
purchasing lists and that sort of stuff as well, and that was really overwhelming as well.
Because what were the things that you think were the reason those other systems did not work? And what was the reason you think that the Accounting King system did work?
I think that Go High Level is a big part of that, and then the process that Accounting Kings puts the systems that Accounting Kings puts forward, and helping to vet and give those qualified leads is really, really important. It takes a lot of pressure off of a number of people in my team, from the front office staff receiving phone calls to our back office accountants who are interviewing clients to see if they're a really good fit. By the time we're receiving those clients, we've
Yeah.
got good qualified leads that we know that we want to talk to, and our phones aren't overwhelmed, and our front office team doesn't want to murder us for doing all of this marketing.
Yeah, and that's the thing because, for example, with high level, you really need to know how to build such systems. And if you have like a dedicated team can actually take the incoming calls and actually pre-interviews and qualifies everybody, the qualifying will also be easier. So it will also makes more sense for you guys to work with us because if you have someone that is an expert in that area, it will become easier and it will become more of a lean process also. So I'm curious right now, what is the main goal with the firm?
Exponential growth. So we've been around since 1978. We're working really hard to build more business clients, and actually reduce the number of 1040s that we have significantly in the firm. We're looking for an average client annual fee of between $8,000 and $10,000 per year, um, but from a very specified, specific type of client.
Yeah.
So no more orphan 1040s at $750 a year.
Yeah, that's something I heard so many of my clients. And thing is also, you rather want to go with quantity over, no, actually with quality over quantity, right? And that's kind of like also what we use our system for, is because if we want, if I want, I can schedule your meetings full of people that want to talk with you, but you don't want to talk to them. And that's the main thing. So yeah, my final question is, so you have your clear goal. Do you think that we as accounting kings can help you and contribute to you achieving that goal?
Yeah. I think that accounting, I'm very pleased with how it's been going so far. We just increased our ad spend with you because we do want to increase that a little bit. But yeah, I think that we've gotten some really great leads so far um, that have turned into some great clients. And yeah, I think that Accounting Kings is going to be instrumental in that growth going forward.
Awesome. No, thank you so much. I appreciate your time. I know that you are busy. So yeah, no, thanks for your time. And I'm really looking forward to working with you in the future.
Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate you.